We are Monday, February 10th, week 5, day 8. I think it's got it right. Linux curriculum. You've got to read through the modules, take the exam, and do the lab. Now we have, looking ahead, we've got a 1 through 9 exam covering those modules next week, like a week from Wednesday. So you have to be caught up before then. Okay? Classwork, the classwork we do, it's listed as classwork. You want to manage that like a journal. We talked about when you capture screenshots, capture the text and put text in the document. The have some type of description so that you can remember what it is, and then examples of your work. Okay, so there's a new one on file management. We did a little work on file management today. We'll review some of those items on Wednesday. We talked about this in the outline, but we didn't go over any specifics, so we'll save that till later. Now, we did talk about scripting. You start with a source code, and then it's interpreted. Now, a lot of programs it gets compiled, but our scripting will be interpreted into an object code, and if needed, linked, and then it's executed. And so we're going to look at some examples of scripts coming up here. Probably on Wednesday, I showed one for adding students. I showed one in class today. You need to be able to use a text editor. I suggest VI. Some people can use Nano. There are others available. We did the change mode command, and we talked about that. We talked about a read is this combination of bits, a write is this combination of bits, and execute is this combination of bits. So if you have this combination, a 7 means you want to read, write, and execute. A 6 would be a read and a write, and so forth. A 5 would be a read and execute. A 4 would be just a read. A 2 would be just a write, and a 1 would be just an execute. So you can go change mode. We did this change mode 755, or 4 was the example, and then I gave a file name. So we changed the permissions on that file. That is it for today. Oh, one more thing. We do have an assessment on these skills on Wednesday. Basically, modules 1 through 5 and the work we've done in the classwork. Mainly that first classwork. That's it.